learn how to use WeTransfer to send files. The first step is you need to log in the WeTransfer page with your email, for example. And after that, you got two options to use the application. The first one is put the email you want to send this file, your email, and the title and a message, and you can send the file, pick here and transfer. And the second option is here. Go to these 3 points, and you can pick here and get transfer link. And the only thing you need to do is put the email, a title, a message, and you can upload the file to the WeTransfer page, and you pick in get a link. And after that, you can send that link for any platform like WhatsApp, your email, the email of that person you want to send the link. But that's it. This is the process. It's an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like